Is designed to show you how to interact with Canvas Commons. Canvas Commons is a cloud-based content sharing area. First thing you need to do is click on Commons over on the left-hand toolbar. This should bring up a page that has information on how to import things from Commons. You have a search area, which is where we're at, shared area, which shows you anything that you may have shared up into Commons, imported, anything you have transferred from Commons into your courses, and updates. This is an area where if somebody has gone in and updated a piece of information or a content that you have previously downloaded, it'll tell you, hey, they went in and changed this, so you might want to go in and take a look at what that update was to see if you need those updates. For right now, we're going to go back to search. All right, let's go in. Oh, there's one more thing we need to look at. Show public resources. Right now this is turned on. That means that when I do a search, it'll search everything that anybody in the world has uploaded to Commons. If you turn it off, it'll only search for people in Mesa Public Schools. I'm going to turn it off for right now just because I only want to see what Mesa teachers have submitted. Across the middle here, it shows you all the different types of content that you can get from Commons. It'll show up, these little items will also show up in your search so you know what type of content you're looking at. So for right now, I'm going to look at World War I. You don't have to push enter or anything, it automatically starts searching. All right, and we found 3 different types of results that showed up for that search. I've got World War I, and this is a module. I have World War II, that's a module. And then I ended up with another World War II vocabulary quiz. All right, well, I don't want these 2, so let's take a look at this World War I. Okay, so this gives me a preview, tells me what kind of tags were put on this module. I can scroll down and I can see what the basic items in the module are. I can't actually see the module information. I can just see the components of that module. Let's see. WebQuest. This looks like it's a pretty good module to go ahead and take a look at. There looks like there's a bunch of useful things that I can take advantage of here. All right, so in order to put it into my course, I'm going to come over and interact with this box over here. Import into Canvas. What shows up is all of the different courses that are active in your dashboard or in your courses list right now. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to put this into my sandbox. We always suggest that you put it into your sandbox first instead of putting it straight into your live course, because you can go in and manipulate it in your Canvas, your sandbox course, before you actually make it something that the students might see. All right, so I'm going to put this into my sandbox. I'm going to click Import into Course. You automatically get a green box that says you have successfully started the import. Please note that it may take a while to see changes in your course. Most of the time things are pretty quick. The times where it takes a little bit longer is when you're importing an entire course. A lot of times there's a lot of artifacts or a lot of content that goes into that. So it can take up to about half an hour to get a full course in. So we're going to go ahead and get out of Commons. We've done what we needed. We found what we wanted to look for. We are going to go over to our courses, and we're going to look for that Sandbox 5 that I put things into. There, let's see, where's Sandbox 5? It's missing. Oh, there it is. Nope, there it is. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. The type of artifact I imported was a module, so I'm going to look at my modules here. Oh, there's all that content. Okay, there's a lot here to take a look at. So at this point, you can go in and start looking at the items. Let's see, there's a document here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a document about the Great War and the various different things. That could be pretty useful. Okay, so I think I might use that. Let me go ahead and go back to this module again. And you can continue to look at the items, delete. This is now yours. You're not going to affect anything in Commons. This is now your copy of this module. You can go back into Commons and do this as many times as you want to. Thank you very much.